5 Best Ergonomic Keyboards. Number 5. Microsoft Natural 4000. Split ergonomic design encourages natural hand, wrist. Cushioned palm rest provides support. Promotes a neutral wrist position. Palm lift promotes a relaxed, natural angle for your wrist. Media keys for music and video control. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Kinesis Freestyle 2 Blue Wireless. Compatible operating systems. Bluetooth, battery and multi-channel Bluetooth 3.0. Rechargeable lithium polymer battery life. Switch instantly between 3 Bluetooth-enabled devices. USB charging cable length, 6 feet. Purely integrated function key. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Microsoft Sculpt 5JV00001. Split key set design helps to position wrists. Forearms in a natural, relaxed position. Cushioned palm rest provides support. Promotes a neutral wrist position. Split key set design helps to position wrists. Promotes a neutral wrist position. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Logitech Wireless Wave MK550. Combo MK550 includes the K350 model keyboard. Powerful 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Precise cursor control. Wave Design Ergonomic Keyboard. Rubber grips gives you smooth, powerful wireless connection. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Kinesis Advantage 2 KB600QD. Professional grade ergonomic keyboard. Patented contour design for maximum comfort. New SmartSet VM programming engine. Onboard remapping and macros. New mechanical function row keys. Human interface device drivers. Please check the description for detail and price.